He's about to get his puppuccino.
1764.
About to get your puppuccino, huh?
What you getting? Thank you.
What you gonna get, boy?
Whoa! Look at this. No. Sonic. Here, Oscar, you want to take it?
Yeah, hey,
He
give me.
knows. He knows.
Ow! Oh.
He
Oh, you-
knows.
He's eating it from the ceiling.
Napkins and straws.
Hey, help me.
Sit back. What are you getting? What are
Sonic,
you getting? What do you think you're getting, boy?
you already got two of things.
No, one of them is for Kano.
You mean kilo?
Per kilo.
Oh.
Oh my God, dude. Chill. You're drinking my coffee.
Hey, buddy.
What you getting? Huh?
Hey.
What you getting? Do you know? Huh? What you getting? Huh? Thank you.
Have a great day.
No,
Sonic. Sonic.
this is not for you.
Here, have your little.
Show him his thing.
Yeah, he's already eating it. Oh my God, man.
You like it?
He's just eating it like nothing. Don't eat the cup.
Should we give him the other one?
I don't know. We don't want to be selfish.
Yeah. It's for Kilo.
Kiki.
We'll give it to Kilo.
Yeah, give it to Kiki. How was it?
Is it yummy?
Oh yeah, sorry. He ate all of it, y'all. He ate all of it.
Oh gosh. Now he thinks he's gonna get this one. Hey!